If you are looking to turn up your Instagram game, then this video is for you, because in this video I'll show you how to add filters to enhance your Instagram post and make it truly stand out. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. First of all, you have to open up your Instagram mobile application and you have to make sure that your account has been logged in. After that, you simply have to create a post by clicking on the plus icon at the bottom corner. I'm using a random photo from the gallery, and after that you simply have to click on arrow. There are a lot of filters. You can select any of the filter according to your preference. For example, if I am selecting this filter named as lark, and after that if you click on the filter again, it will show you the slider. By using this slider, you can adjust the strength of the filter according to your preference, and after adjusting the strength, you simply have to click on done. For more enhancing of your photo, you simply have to click on edit, and here are a lot of options given to us by Instagram. You can adjust the brightness, adjust the contrast, adjust the structure, and after that you simply have to click on arrow. Here you can add caption to the post, tag people, and after that you simply have to click on tick and your Instagram post will be posted. Okay, so guys, this was the easiest and quick way to add filters to your Instagram post. Hope you guys like this video. If you guys like the video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon. Thank you for watching.